Ooh, yeah, look at that wood burning detail. We're gonna show you the easiest way to do the most detailed wood burning, and we'll show you how we did it right now. What is up? Welcome back to another Tay takeover. This week, we're doing some wood burning the easy way, using a little bit of ammonium chloride and some water and a heat gun as a run-on sentence. We're gonna conduct some magic.
Let's get started.
Step 1. We're gonna mix up our ammonium chloride solution. We're gonna use a half a cup of water and a half a tablespoon of ammonium chloride.
Half cup.
Is this a half tablespoon?
That's a full tablespoon. You can just eyeball it. Pretty good.
Yeah, that's eyeballed.
The Thicken Up comes with its own tiny scoop.
Tiny little scoop.
2 of those.
2 of those bad boys. I'll give it a little stir with my paintbrush.
And you want to give that a few minutes to thicken up.
To let it do its name. Step 2. We don't plan on freehanding this thing, so we're going to cut out vinyl stencils that we're going to put on the wood.
Alright, let me go do that.
Step 3. We're going to apply the stencil. We're going to lay the stencil down. Take your little face. We're going to lay the stencil down on those blocks of wood.
Alright, so we're making a little snowman. So we have 3 of these little live edge rounds that are about 3 inches round. And we're just going to apply the stencil right on top. So cute.
Alright, we got the stencils on. Step 4, we get into some alchemy. This is where we start painting our solution. Our little mixture from step 1. We're gonna paint it over the stencil onto the wood, but only the wood that you want burned. Make sure your stencil's down nice and
Here,
tight.
do mine. Let me just double check yours. So you can let this dry just a little bit. It doesn't have to be all the way dry.
Just enough to get the stencil off. Remove the stencils. You gonna do that?
Nope, you can do that
I
one.
was gonna try to get it in one swoop because it looked wet.
So you take it right off. Your image is still left there. Depending upon how dry it is, you may not see anything at all, but it's there.
Step 5. Now we're gonna heat it up and make the magic happen. We'll start with the face. Oh, look at that. Look how crisp those...
So cute.
Those lines are so crisp. Crisp. I wouldn't have been able to make such crisp lines or say the word crisp. Step 6. Now we make it a snowman. We're gonna attach them all with jute. We'll put a little teeny hole in the bottom and top of each one.
Here.
Using a scrap piece of wood. they got eyes for you.
Look how cute!
Snowman. Well, woodman? Burning Man?
Burning Man.
Wow.
I like that.
It worked great. It came out great. We used that Thicken Up so that it was a little more thick. I guess that's why they call it Thicken Up. And it wouldn't bleed up underneath the stencil. It kind of keeps it in place a little better. So if you like this week's video, hit that like button. And remember, we do the same thing on our channel every week over at Kim and Garrett Make It.